So now you can put all your CSV files into your lakehouse and then copy into the warehouse and use it downstream.
And a big part here is what we're seeing, or at least what I'm seeing with organization, is their data is not in SQL. Their data is very unstructured. And it's taking all these things that we try to do in Power Query, and it took very convoluted steps and 18 merges. And yeah, maybe you had a native query in the first 5 steps. But what I'm trying to say here to kind of boil this down is a big part where we're seeing the selling point with Fabric is around the unstructured data and storing that for the very first time in the Microsoft Fabric platform, which was previously had to go through something convoluted in Synapse. But now we can easily get a JSON or a weird API or even an Excel into a lakehouse, which then becomes your at least your SQL analytics endpoint.
Well, like 10 days ago or so, we released the ability to do copy into from a OneLake location. So now you can put all your CSV files into your lakehouse and then copy into the warehouse and use it downstream. I'm not going to sit here and pretend that SQL is going to be the best processing engine for all of this stuff. And that's certainly where the lakehouse, I think, in these architectures still comes into play. Like if you go back and look at some of the stuff we announced at FabCon in April of this year, imagine the power of these the Fabric functions, like being able to call a Fabric function from T-SQL and say, all right, well, I may not have, as a T-SQL person, I may not have the skill sets to do all this geospatial stuff. You guys might have the ability to do that. You can write me a little Python script, and I can just call that Python code from a Fabric function. Now all of a sudden, we're both using our skill sets. We're putting the data exactly where it best fits, whether it's lakehouse or warehouse.